Hello children, this is our next video of depreciation chapter, and here I am taking one question, numerical question. Question is also written here, so in PDF you can get question with solutions. The first question is: a machine was purchased for rupees 60,000 on 1st January 2018. What will be the value of this machine after 3 years if depreciation is written off at 10% per annum by fixed installment method? Prepare machinery account. So you all know the ledger format of ledger. In the same format we have to prepare this account. So first is machinery account, and the columns are date particular, JF means journal folio, then amount column. Then in credit side again date particular, JF and amount column. So first entry is on 1st January 2018 to cash. This entry shows the purchase of machinery. You all know how to pass journal entries for purchasing an asset. So asset account debited to cash account. So this is the entry to cash 60,000. Then on credit side on 31st December 2018 depreciation is charged. Depreciation is charged for full year because machinery is purchased on 1st January and we are charging depreciation on 31st December, means full year is completed. So by depreciation and 10% depreciation on 60,000 means 60,000 ka 10% 6,000 and the remaining balance is 54,000. Now in the second year one account is prepared for every year. In only one account in one format we have to prepare different we have to give entries for different years. So next year is 2019, 1st January 2019, to balance brought down 54,000. Then again the depreciation amount is same because it is fixed method. So entry is by depreciation 6,000 and balance is 48,000. And in the third year, because we have to prepare account for 3 years only. So in third year means 1st January 2020, first entry is to balance brought down 48,000. And in credit side the entries are the same, by depreciation and by balance carried down, and depreciation amount is also the same under fixed method. So depreciation is 6,000 and the balance is 42,000. This is how we prepare depreciation machinery account and depreciation. Now I am taking one more question which is based on formula. In this question it is given: Mr. Ashwin Kumar purchased on 1st January 2015 a machinery for rupees 32,000 and spent rupees 3,000 on its installation. Installation charges is also given, cost of machinery is given, the estimated life of the machine is 5 years, the life of asset is also given, and the residual value is rupees 5,000. 5,000 is the residual value. All the information is given for calculation of depreciation according by applying formula. Show the machinery account for the first 4 years charging depreciation on fixed installment method. Okay, we have to prepare machinery account for 4 years. But first of all, calculate depreciation by applying this formula: cost of asset plus installation charges minus scrap value divided by estimated life of an asset. So here are the amounts: 32,000 cost, 3,000 installation charges minus scrap value divided by estimated life 5 years. So the amount is 6,000. 6,000 is the amount of depreciation for full year. Account is prepared in the similar way as we prepared in last question. So first entry is 1st January 2015 to cash. We can give 2 entries for this transaction. First entry to cash for the cost of machinery and second entry to cash for the installation charges. But I am taking here only one single entry and adding up expenses in the cost. And finally the final amount is 35,000, which is the final cost of asset. Now depreciation is 6,000. We calculate here. So 6,000 is depreciation and this is the balance. You all know how we calculate the balance, how we can balance the account. 35,000 minus 6,000 and the remaining is 29,000. In the second year, balance. First write the balance of the account, then write depreciation, and again balance the account for 2016. For next 2 years also prepare the account in the similar way.